Hi everyone, welcome to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Binance when the facial verification is not working using your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're going through any verification on your Binance and your facial verification is not working, then here are some troubleshooting methods you could try out. First, make sure to close off Binance application if it is running on your background. The next thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. If you're not connected to a stable internet, then you won't be able to verify facial verification option on Binance. So once you have an internet connection, you might be able to solve your issue right away. If it still does not work, you can try deleting your cache data from your Binance app. Simply go open up settings, and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap on iPhone storage, and from the list of the applications on iPhone storage, go ahead and tap on Binance. Now, you can offload the application which will delete your cache data from the app. Tap on Offload App, tap Offload App one more time in the pop-up beneath, and doing this will delete the app, but its data and documents will be present on your iPhone. Now tap on Reinstall App. Reinstall your application again, and once you are done with the reinstallation, go back to Binance app and tap it open and try logging into your Binance app. If it still does not work, make sure to allow necessary permission for your Binance application. Open up settings from your iPhone, and from the settings menu, scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see the list of the apps installed on your iPhone. Search for Binance and tap it on. Make sure that you've allowed necessary permission for the application, and once you've done that, go back to Binance app and see if that fixes the issue. If it still does not work, you can simply uninstall Binance application from your iPhone. In order to do that, press hold Binance app icon and tap on Remove App. Tap Delete App from the pop-up, and once you've deleted your application, reinstall it back again by going to the App Store, and that might be able to solve your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to go through facial verification on your Binance app on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.